Hey guys, this right here is the döner kebab, or the döner as a lot of people like to call it. It's a German specialty for fast food with Turkish roots. It takes tasty flatbread, juicy meat, a spicy sauce, and also, well, some decoration. Now, I'm not one for the small things in life, but this döner has given me plenty of inspiration. I want to take this Turkish delight to a whole new level of awesomeness. It's time to dream big. When it comes to dreaming big, you usually need meat. A lot of it. Let's go. What a beauty we have here. But we also need the flatbread, and we need 2 of them. We're gonna get rid of 1. We're starting with this one here. Let's go. Getting good colors there. So now it's time for the finishing touches. Let's go. And now it's the highlight. Here comes the meat. I'm gonna try some myself. Just the beginning. Obviously, more meat. The moment of truth has finally come. Wow.